You ever had any curious about living on the lake? Some negatives? This would be one of them. This wind is treacherous.